as I stand before you at this special time, our college is steeped in over 171 years of rich history and tradition. I'm filled with gratitude and responsibility. It's just not a privilege to be your president. It's an honor to be entrusted with a legacy. And that legacy here at Monmouth is built on scholarship, on leadership, community and service, and transforming students.
I give you the 15th president.
Let us remember that we honor our history, but we must not be bound by it. Monmouth College is a living, breathing entity, one that has the power to adapt and to grow. Together, we will forge a path to our future filled with promise, filled with innovation and opportunity. A future that's rooted in our legacy while embracing the boundless potential of what is yet to come as we grow into the future. So thank you, old friends, and welcome new ones. Here's to a bright future for Monmouth College. And roll Scots.